In 2025, Ecovacs proved that roller-based robot vacuums could outperform traditional pad systems. For the first time, robot mopping actually felt like real scrubbing, not just wiping, and that alone grabbed a lot of attention. But in 2026, they've pushed it even further. The Ecovacs X9S Pro Omni is Ecovacs' most advanced roller-based flagship in the first half of 2026, and after testing it against sticky spills, fully saturated rollers, and high traffic floors, I can confidently say this isn't just an iteration, because the real problem was never just mop pads, it wasn't even rollers, it was consistency. Traditional pads smear, older rollers scrub better, but once they're saturated, they start redistributing dirty water mid-clean. The X9S Pro Omni solves this with the new Osmo Roller 3.0. It's a wider, high-density roller with significantly higher downward pressure and faster rotational speed, and a real-time pressurized freshwater self-washing system. This isn't just a stronger roller, it's engineered for consistent performance from start to finish. And that difference becomes obvious the moment it hits a real-world mess. So the Osmo Roller 3.0 is a high-density nylon roller, and its 27cm length allows it to clean a lot of floor area with a single pass. As I alluded to earlier, it has a very high 3,800 pascals of downward pressure and 220 RPM when mopping to ensure that it can scrub right through tough stains and sticky spills. I've tested this with the stickiest of spills like juice and milk, and I was impressed to see no residue or stains after the cleaning process. The pressurized freshwater self-washing happens in real time, ensuring dirty water is never being redeposited, resulting in a streak-free deep clean, even on the toughest of messes. This is accomplished with a 32-way pressurized spray system with high-energy pulsed jets, powered by an 11K Pascal booster pump. Thanks to its TrueEdge 3.0 edge cleaning system, the roller is able to extend up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the body of the robot, effectively cleaning closely along walls, baseboards, and any other corner or edge that most other robot vacuums miss. And of course, it also has strong vacuum suction with its Blast 30,000 pascals high airflow suction, which effortlessly lifts up dust, debris, and pet hair, while its Zero Tangle 4.0 brush prevents hair from getting tangled, making it perfect for houses with pets. Thanks to its double effect clean solution system, the X9S Pro Omni is able to intelligently adapt its cleaning strength for different stain and mess types, delivering the most effective cleaning performance no matter what. It has a dual compartment clean solution system with standard and heavy duty cleaning solutions to perfectly match whatever cleaning task it's met with. It has AI/VI 3D 3.0 real-time dynamic obstacle avoidance and path planning, ensuring it seamlessly navigates around wires, shoes, furniture legs, and whatever else is in the way without any issue. You also never have to worry about it getting your carpeted areas wet. It'll always vacuum your carpets first, then mop hard floors after. It also has a 15mm roller lift system that prevents the roller from ever touching your carpets. It features very effective 20mm threshold crossing, allowing the X9S Pro Omni to reliably and stably pass through uneven surfaces and transitions. You control and set up the X9S Pro Omni using the Ecovacs Home app on your smartphone, which allows you to intuitively control every aspect of your cleaning preferences. The X9S Pro Omni even comes with an AI agent voice assistant, Yico, that makes operating the robot easier than ever. Okay, Yico.
At your service.
Start cleaning. And it works just like that. The X9S Pro Omni's charging station replenishes power during the wash cycle that occurs after every cleaning. It uses an adaptive charging strategy, ensuring there'll be as few interruptions as possible when cleaning large areas, meaning cleanings get done all at once without frequent trips to and from the charging station, ensuring the most unobtrusive, seamless experience possible. It also charges really fast. So without question, charging and power supply is something you never have to think about with the X9S Pro Omni. The cleaning process that takes place at the charging station is very extensive and does all of the maintenance for you. The station uses high-pressure fresh water pumping and rapid drainage to clean the mop roller in real time, ensuring it remains hygienic, clean, and free of any dirty water buildup. It then rinses the roller in hot 75 degrees Celsius water, which removes any remaining dirt, ensuring you get a perfect streak-free finish. The station even adapts the cleaning water temperature based on the room type and soil level, ensuring not only efficiency, but a proper cleaning of the roller, extending its lifespan. And after the cleaning process, the station dries the mop roller with 63 degrees Celsius hot air, ensuring it's ready for the next cleaning. And quite possibly most impressive of all, the maintenance tray doesn't need to be emptied for 150 days, giving you a truly hands-free experience. Now, when choosing between the Ecovacs X9S Pro Omni and the Ecovacs X9 Pro Omni, while the X9S Pro Omni is positioned as the more premium option with a price of $1,000, it does offer measurable improvements in just about every key area in comparison to the X9 Pro Omni. From its roller to its dual compartment clean solution system, its corner and edge cleaning, its suction system, and its navigation and obstacle avoidance. I'd say the most noteworthy difference is the much more effective and larger Osmo Roller 3.0 with its 27 centimeter length, with that high 3,800 pascals of downward pressure when washing, as opposed to the smaller roller with lower pressure that the X9 Pro Omni has, which does make a big difference when going up against tough and sticky stains. The Ecovacs X9S Pro Omni is the best choice if you want the most thorough robot vacuum that requires the least amount of maintenance or input from you, as you never have to doubt it'll handle any mess thrown its way thanks to its intelligent, dynamic cleaning methods. Click on the link in the video description down below to check out the Ecovacs X9S Pro Omni, and big thanks to Ecovacs for sponsoring this video. Let me know your thoughts on the Ecovacs X9S Pro Omni in the comments down below. Thanks for watching, and as always, I'll catch you on the next one.